Hello student, welcome to part 6 of algebraic expression. Today we will do exercise 12.1 question number 2 part 1st. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. So in this question we have to make tree diagram. So first one I have already done, x minus 3. X minus 3, here terms are x and minus 3 and these are also factors. The next one is y minus y cube. So here terms are y and minus, so I will write here first term y and the next one is minus y cube. So factor of y is y, the factor of minus y cube is minus 1 multiply y. We will write y 3 times because y has power 3. Next, here we have 3 terms. The first one is minus ab, the second is 2b square and the third one is minus 3a square. So let's write their factors. The factors are minus a and the next is b. Here we have factors 2, b and b. Here the factors are minus 3. A has power 2, so we will write a 2 times. So this is how we make factor tree. So student, in this way you can make factor tree and you can write terms and factors. So this is the question 2 first part. Now next we have question 2 second part. In this we have to identify terms and factors. So terms. So first is minus 4x plus 5. So here we have 2 terms, minus 4x and the next term is 5. Now next we have to write their factors. So factors of 4 are, we know that 2 multiplied 2 and x is power 1, so we will write it 1 time. Next factors of 5 is 5 only. B part, here we have minus 4x and the other term is 5y. So factors are minus 4x are minus 2, 2 and x. And factors of 5 and y, 5y are 5 and y. Next, there are 2 terms 5y and the next term is 3y square. So factors of 5y are 5 and y and the next is factor 3y and y because y has power 2, so we will write 2 times. Next we have terms xy, then 2x square y square. So factors of xy are x and y. And here we have 2 times x because power is 2 and 2 times y. So this is how we write terms and factors. Next is question number 3rd. Identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constant. So student, note here that we have to write numerical coefficient, but specially here it is written terms which are other than constant. For example, in the first one, 5 minus 3t square. Here 5 is constant, so we will not write 5 in terms while we will write minus 3t square. And we have to write numerical coefficient, so we will write minus 3 only. So look at the second one. In this we have 1 plus t square and t cube. So the terms without constant term and having variable are t square, t cube. Now we have to write numerical coefficient. So no number is written. Then we take 1 as numerical coefficient. So t square also has 1 and t cube also has 1 as numerical coefficient. The next is 3.14 r square. So it has only 1 term and the numerical coefficient is 3.14. The next we multiply 2 with L and also 2 with B because 2 is outside the bracket. So we have 2 terms, 2L and 2B. Their numerical coefficients are 2 and 2. Next is 0.1y and 0.01y square. So numerical coefficient is 0.1 and in the next term 0.01. So student, here we have written only coefficients which are numerical. Question number 4a part. Identify terms which contain x and give coefficient of x. So here note that we have to write the terms which contain x only and we have to write their coefficient. So first one is y square x plus y. So here out of these 2 terms, y square x has x and coefficient of x is y square. whatever is written with x, we write here in the coefficient of x. So in the next question, second part, second term minus 8yx has variable x, and the coefficient of x here is minus 8 and y. So we write numerical number and whatever variable is given with x. So next is, I have taken fifth part now, 1 plus xy. So here we have two terms with x and xy. So the coefficient of the first one, that is x, is only 1, and the coefficient of xy is y. Next, out of these two terms we have, first term has x as variable and its coefficients are 12y square. We will leave x and we will write rest of the factors. Now next, 7 plus xy square, here we have xy square, second term has x and its coefficient is y square because y square is written with it. So this is all about question number 4, part A. Now next we will do question number 5, classify into monomials, binomials, trinomials. I have already made video on these terms, monomial, binomial and trinomial term. You can go and watch it. Now here we will write what we will name the terms. For example, first one is 4y minus 7z. Both are unlike terms. So these are, here we have two unlike terms. So this is binomial. The next one is y square. So this is monomial because only one term is written. Next, three unlike terms are written. So this is trinomial. Next, only 100. One term is written. So it is monomial. Next, three unlike term is written. So this is trinomial. Next, again, two unlike terms. So this is binomial. And the next one, p square q, p q square. Both are unlike term. So this is binomial. And the next, 7mn, one term is written, so this is monomial. So this is how we classify monomials, binomial and trinomials by just looking at the number of terms. Now next, question number 6, state whether a given pair of term is of like and unlike terms. Again, I have already made a video on like and unlike terms. Here we have just write, identify what are like and unlike term. Look at the first one, 1 and 100. Both are number. We can add and subtract them. So these are like term. Next, both contain variable x. So we can add and subtract them. So they are also like terms. Next, one variable is x and another is y. Both the variables are different. So they are unlike terms. Next, we have xy as a variable, or here we have yx as a variable. The student note that x multiply y multiply x, both are same. So these are like terms. Next is m square p, m p square. Both have m and p, but powers are different. Here m is power 2, here m is power 1. We cannot add them. So these are unlike terms. Next, xz, x square, z square. So here powers are different. Here x power is 1, here x power is 2, so we cannot add and subtract them. So these are like terms. So student, this is all about exercise 12.1. I hope that after watching this video, you must understand how to write terms, like terms and naming of the terms, and I hope that you can also solve the rest of the question. And you can also write in the comment section if any question you don't understand and you want me to explain any part of the question. See you on next video. We will do more exercise based on this chapter. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.